Today we're going to check out Commit 30, which is more of a habit tracker kind of planner. And I will admit I wanted to qualify for free shipping, so I also got some clips and a sticker book that we can check out as well. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings like today on Saturday. Now, if you've never heard of Commit 30, I hadn't either. I don't believe they're available on Amazon Prime, so you'd really have to know about them in order to even look at these planners to order some. Now, the covers very much remind me of the Passion planners, and in fact, I almost think they use the same production company and have many of the same designs. Their covers have that sort of embossing in them, or debossing, I guess I should say. And they also have the same type of binding and the same style. The only difference is with the Passion planners, I believe you can tuck the planner into the cover, and these are just simply glued on. So basically what this is a paper softback planner that has been glued onto a faux leather cover to give it a little more stability. Nothing wrong with that, but that's just kind of how it was structured. So we are checking out two different planners. One is just the regular weekly planner, and that one, I don't want to quote you wrong, that was $34.99. And then we're doing the Commit 30, which is their fitness specific planner, and that was $29.99. And we are also checking out their clips. A little note for myself, it's $5.99, and we have a book of stickers, which is $19.99, so not cheap to get these stickers. And so let's just check them out and see what they look like up close. I ordered directly from Commit 30, and it was free shipping, and it came really fast, like in 3 days, even though it came USPS in this mailer. I honestly was surprised that everything fit inside of here because it was so much stuff that I ordered, and this was pretty small, so I was worried that my whole order wasn't in here, but let's go ahead and check it out. So it has this bubble wrap over here, and obviously there was so much stuff it couldn't seal it. I did order the 7x10 weekly day planner, and that was $34.99. And then I also got the fitness journal. So that you can see only comes in one size, and that was $29.99. And I also purchased the fitness stickers for $19.99. I think these just come with the Commit. It looks like these are from 2017. Just like this bookmark, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So I think these are just something that comes in every order. So these fitness stickers were $19.99. And the only thing missing, oh no, that's not true. So I got a second bookmark. Yeah, so it looks like a bookmark for each one of these planners. And I also purchased these clips. This was obviously just an impulse purchase. They just looked really cute. These were $5.99, and I think you can see them already, but we can take them out. I think they just go on, I feel like they'll go on the top and look cute, but I could be wrong. I know you can't feel these, but they are just plastic. So like a soft, you can see that flexible plastic, and they're just glued, looks like, onto a regular paper clip. So it's kind of a small paper clip, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and check out the $19.99 stickers. Now it says there's 30 sheets in here. And every time I get stickers, it's just hard to tell because the pictures are so small. I guess they're worried people are going to steal their designs. So over here, oh, this is nice. It's like a book. So it just kind of opens at the top, and it has, I don't know if you can see this, but these colors are really kind of blah. I don't know. I'm used to the stickers from the, like, they're usually brighter. So these are kind of dark. Maybe that's because they can be more gender neutral that way. And it looks like you get a couple different pages of the same thing. So, oh, that's not true. You just get, oh yeah, you get 2 pages of those. Then you get 2 pages. Nope, you just get 1 page of these. And this is your water intake and your steps. You get 1 page. Some workout. You get 2 of those. And check marks. Lots and lots of check marks. You got 2 of those, and then you have some black and I guess tan colored ones, just 1 page. And then you get little motivational quotes, 1 page. A second page, same thing, but different quotes. And then you get 2 of the exact same ones of those. And then we get these little dumbbells, or I guess they're kettlebells. And we get water intake, get 2 of those, and just stripes and bicycles. And we get long run, swim, short ride, race day, today's miles. If you're a runner or a biker, triathlete, you get emojis. You got 2 pages. And then we have some more, it looks like yoga stickers. I shouldn't say more, we get new yoga stickers. And then we have, excuse me, dinner, meal plan. You get 2 of those, and that's it. So those are our fitness stickers. So let's go ahead and check out our fitness journal, because that's the next one. And it has shrink wrap on it to protect it, which I appreciate. So that's kind of nice, so you know nobody touched it. And I got red just because it seemed to be, I guess, the girliest color that I could find, if that makes sense. All right, so it has a flexible cover, and it says commit 30 to fit. Hello, my name is, year, I will. My goal to work out is X number of times per week, I will. And so little Mad Libs here, just fill things out. Step 2, tips to achieve your health commitment. So they've actually just given you some tips, and then you can add some on your own. And then monthly action steps, your monthly planning. They're going to tell you to do your weekly planning. And then you can put your before and after pics in here, as well as it looks like your weight goals for each of the months coming up. Your wellness vision board, so like a little Pinterest, and then a woman running, which I guess you could do some more Pinterest boarding. And then here's where we get to the commit 30, kind of what makes it commit 30. It's these big circles. So you have your monthly goal, you have 6 action goals, and then this month I did or did not reach my goal and why. So they're you just come back to this 1 page. There's no page again at the end. What you're going to commit to. And then I've seen people, I really like this because you can do kind of, it's like a habit tracker, so you can just color all of these in for the days. I guess you'll have to draw your own day if it is a 31-day month, and then give yourself a reward. I don't know if you saw that. And then over here, these are undated, so you will have to put in the months yourself, and then you can put your stats here, your weight, your waist, your hips, your goal. And it looks like, oh, here we go. So you have maybe the beginning and the end, and so you can do a before and after for each month. And then here's our weekly layout, and you have your water intake at the top, and weekly prep, planning your workouts, meal plans, grocery shopping, 3 goals, reward, and again your weigh-ins again over here. And then you can start planning out, it looks like your workout plan at the top, food plan over here, and then just daily tracking of maybe some new habits you want to take, and then workout notes, groceries, training tips, recipes down here at the bottom. And that rinse and repeat schedule for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. That's a little odd, but okay, because we get Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, it's 6 weeks. I guess just in case your week starts or ends in the middle, you can start it right there. We have a woman doing a yoga pose, and then we start over again with the monthly, and then it looks like we have to date our month again. We have those stats, so it's exactly the same, and we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks this time. So 5 or 6, I guess they're just guessing, and this time we have a dude. Picture of a dude, and it rinse and repeats. So this goes through, it looks like, for 12 weeks, or 12 months, not 12 weeks. And then at the very end, let's see if there's anything different. So when we get to the very, very back, it looks like we just have some blank notes pages with the dot grid, which I actually really like the dot grid. And it just says notes at the top. So, and then you get a pocket folder. I don't know if you can see that over here. And you also have an elastic strap that matches the color of this. So that was our fitness journal. So let's go ahead and check out our weekly day planner. Now this one came in that smaller size, but I really wanted the 7x10. Oops, I don't know why this is shaking. So if you can see that, it's pretty large. And I just need a lot of space to write. I write really big and I have a lot of things to say. All the time, or notes that I want to take, and these things usually never leave you space for notes. I mean, except at the very back, and I always run out, so it's always an issue. All right, so I got gold only because gold, the other colors you couldn't see the imprint as well, and you can see, I don't know if you can see, this is debossed. Here are my fingernails on this. Same thing, it's a soft cover, and look, we got another thing of stickers. So we got 2 things of the same stickers. It looks like they just give those out. Same thing, my name is, and it looks like they're giving you some suggestions here. So you can do 30 days of no alcohol, meditation, creating, exercise. You can kind of choose things that you are going to commit yourself to. And this one's dated, so this has the 2019 and 2020 at a glance, as well as the holidays at the bottom. And again, it's very neutral friendly, and I can tell you why. This is a very neutral color, gender neutral. These are very blocky numbers and letters, so kind of masculine. And over here we have the big famous circles that Commit has. So within each circle, ask yourself what is most important to you and what you can do to improve these areas for a more balanced life. So I think this is why people like this. It kind of gives you some direction, but it doesn't ask you to do or create anything too crazy, because it is hard to stare at a blank page. Use each month's goal setting to create detailed action steps for each goal. So this is your 12 months, your daily action. So now we have a little bit of a different layout because we have times here, and we can just put all of our goals on one page. And then we have January, we get a quote. I think we might get a quote for every month. So let's skip ahead to February. Yeah, so we get a quote for every month. So I'm gonna assume this repeats, rinse and repeats every month. So you have, again, your monthly goal. You can put your action steps. And again, you're going to write right here, did I or did I not reach my goal? How would I rate my effort? So you're going to come back to this page. Traditionally, we see like an end of month wrap up, but here they just have you coming back to the same page, which is fine. Again, we have this same thing as we had in the fitness journal, the 30 that you can track for a new habit. And again, you'll just have to draw in your own 31. Now, the nice thing about this is you do not have to put the dates in. It has already done it for you, and it's left you a ton of room down here to write some notes, or it would have been nicer, honestly, if they had left that maybe a little larger. And also, something really important to note is this starts on a Monday, which to me always feels awkward on a monthly. I would rather have it start on a Sunday. So I will probably never use this because I always get that wrong, and I put the wrong dates in, and I'm late for things, or I'm there on the wrong day. But anyways, so this is your weekly layout, and so it's labeled it for you, and it's Monday through Sunday. Again, it starts on a Monday, and it's going to go from 5 until 7, and you have your life to-dos over here, what you're going to commit to, work to-dos, and then just a big space for notes. So that's going to rinse and repeat, it looks like, for every week, and then you're going to get one page at the end for notes. Now, February, we're going to assume this repeats all the way throughout the whole year, just like the last one did. Yep. We'll get our notes page for December, we'll get a quote, and then we'll get this month at a glance, and it'll be 2 months on each page, again, starting with Monday, and that's for the next year, for 2020, and then we get a bunch of notes pages like we had previously. And we get that pocket folder over here, and we get an elastic band that matches the color of the notebook. So what'd you think of everything? So overall, I would say stickers, they're okay, nothing great. Definitely not worth the $19.99. As far as the planners and their philosophy, I love that these are habit trackers. In fact, I started actually adding those in. And I like that they're big, huge circles. And I think they're very gender neutral. So, you know, the whole area for goals and that the goals are bubbles, I think helps to make it a little more visual and much easier. It forces you to put your goal in just a couple words instead of a big long paragraph. The only problem I think is that these are very hard to write in, right? So there's not a lot of space to write in, and because they are not spiral, you can't fold them over, but I mean, they're not bad, but just like any other bound planner or notebook, it just has some challenges on writing on different sides. The other thing is these are pretty heavy and thick, so you know, if you're carrying these around, I found myself not wanting to carry these around just because they were so heavy, but otherwise I did love the habit tracker part of the book, and that's kind of their whole shtick, right? Every month starts over new, and it's a new chance to develop a new habit. So let's just recap that list really quick. I really love that these are monthly and they do habit tracking. I like that they are a gender neutral kind of cover, so I think they could work for men or women. They're not really girly, they're not too masculine. I like the goal bubbles. I think they are hard to write in though, and they are kind of thick and heavy. So let me know what you thought below, and if you are interested in making your own planner, make sure to sign up for Planner 101, where we walk you through everything from beginning to end. All right, I hope everyone is having a fabulous weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.